big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know.
HelloFresh one pan Santa Fe pork tacos. Look how good they gonna look. Prep time is 5 minutes, 20 minutes. We about to see, but it's gonna be like 920 calories. But that's all good in the hood. So we're gonna go through the bag and see exactly what's in it. Open to see what's in it. We can do it with one hand, yeah. We have, oh look at that. This is that shredded cabbage. It's already shredded, hallelujah. We got the tortillas. Sour cream. We love that sour cream. This is Monterey Jack cheese. All right, what is this thing? Oh, a whole onion. That's dope. All right, cool. What is it? This is mayonnaise. All right, got some mayo. Let's see bacon sauce. This is like cilantro. Yeah, I'm sure it's cilantro. Yep, cilantro. This is Southwest spice. What else we got here? Oh, okay, I was wondering. We got a whole lemon. So let's put it as well too. Here we got, hold on. This is Tex-Mex paste. All right. That's it. And at least we have the ground pork. All right, so I'm gonna get all these together. And first we need to wash and dry the produce. Half peel the onion and dice it up finely. And chop up that cilantro and quarter the lemon. All right, so let's go ahead and get the vegetables prepared. Get this onion together. You didn't really specify if it needed to be the whole onion or not. So I had an onion that was already pre-peeled, so I went ahead and got that guy out. So we'll go ahead and dice these guys, get it prepared. Then we're gonna move on to the cilantro and the lemon. I got the cilantro, the onion. I'm just gonna quarter the lemon, which is cut into 4 pieces, 4 slices. Then we're gonna finally chop the cilantro. Go ahead and chop it up real good and fine. All this noise. All right, there we go. That should be good. Onions, my lemon, and my cilantro. All right, let's see what's next. I want us to drizzle a little oil in a little pan, medium-high heat. Add onion, a pinch of salt, stirring occasionally, and let it brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add pork spice. Add Southwest spice. Cook, breaking up the meat into pieces until brown. You know that we could have been had this done, but step by step instructions is the way to go. Add a little olive oil, just a little drizzle. You're gonna add that ground pork. Get in there. Let me get that down in here. About a medium-high heat. Get them going. Here. And just break up your meat like you normally would. I'm gonna add a little salt, season it up. Okay. Then we're gonna add onions, handful of onions. Bam. Like I said, they tell me how many onions, but hey, we're gonna roll with that. Okay. We're gonna make this slow. And while that pork is cooking, we go ahead and combine the coleslaw. It's a large bowl, but it's not. I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. Coleslaw, mayo. That mayo in there. You can always add more lettuce, shredded lettuce. I'll show you the cabbage. Mayo. And then we're gonna squeeze some lemon into it. Yes, sure. Squeeze that lemon. Just squeeze half a lemon. So let's go ahead and do this other half as well too. There we go. Now it's calling for a teaspoon of sugar. So let's see what my measurement's looking like. Yes, we good. Just about a teaspoon. Then we do half the cilantro. Half that cilantro in there. A bit more. A little pinch of salsa. Mix it. All good and mixed. Your Southwest spice. We'll add it to the mix. All in there. Mix it all in. Okay. Take the Tex-Mex paste and we put it all over the meat. Yeah, sure. Gotta get it all out too. So the Southwest spice is like to me, it's like a taco seasoning. You stir that and make sure the meat's covered. And now you're just about ready. Actually, you are ready. All right, let's go ahead and get this covered and assembled. Here we are. Last but not least, let's go ahead and get the tortillas together. They said wrap them in a damp paper towel in the microwave for like 30 seconds until they're a little loose and soft. I'm going to put these guys in the air fryer to crisp them up a little bit. So let's go for it. Air fryer it is. Put them sideways like that. Sideways, so it can be like a little taco. I'm not sure how many this thing's gonna make, but we about to hook it up. All right. Here we go, guys. You know I always got some on my sleeve. Let's do something else. Got the butter, sprayed them with butter. You know what I'm saying, with the butter in there. Got them on the side, so they should form like that. Okay. Slide them in, 390 for a couple of minutes here. Yeah, about 2 minutes. I'm gonna see how they go. Here we go, guys. Go ahead and get these guys out of here. Well, it's gonna make them crispy, but you know. And they're all pliable. Nice and steamy. Buttery, and of course the longer you leave them in there, the more crispier they'll be. I'm gonna take these guys and go ahead and get started. So we got a sour cream, we got a Monterey Jack cheese here. So we got a little cilantro, we got our lemon. Let's go ahead and build these things. All right. We're gonna take the meat and the meat. Okay. You can build them multiple ways. I'm gonna take that. All right, you build them multiple ways. I'm gonna take that. Fill that up. And the meat is really good, guys. I put a little salt and pepper as well, but the Monterey, Tex-Mex seasoning or paste makes it a little bit spicy. Okay. Bring that guy up. Fill this guy up here. Now I don't think it's enough cheese for all these tacos. It's like 6, so I'm not sure what that was. They missed putting in another cheese, but man, we're gonna work with what we got. Hey, look, it's only that. We're gonna get this guy put together. Got the Monterey Jack cheese. Just gonna put that on top of the meat. On top of the meat. So, if you want more cheese, you got to get more cheese because that's a wrap. So I do have some home cheese. So I may want to add some more cheese. So on the meat, while the meat is nice and warm, okay? Nice and warm. All right, guys. Since I just put this fresh cheese on here, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a couple of seconds just to warm it up. Here we go. We got it out the microwave. Go ahead and add our coleslaw. This coleslaw is actually pretty good. Got the cabbage. Probably should have used the tongue or something for this. We're gonna work it out, okay? Work it out, work it out, work it out. Work it out. It's not too wet, it's just right actually. All right. Okay. With cilantro on top. And run that lemon, baby. Lemon, lemon. Be careful of the seeds. Boom. And the whole thing is just done. It's done. Let's get it. Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get these guys together, taste them, and we're gonna end up this video. Thanks for rocking with your boy. Thanks for sticking around. You guys like and subscribe if you're here. Just hit the like, just hit the subscribe. It's easy, it's absolutely free, I promise. Yeah, guys. Nothing to it but to do it. The red cabbage slaw. Alright, that's the picture. That's your boys. That's the picture. That's your boys. Hey, there we go. Let's give it a taste. Not bad. Very simple recipe. So, nothing to it. I mean, if you normally use red cabbage for your slaw, I would just use whatever you use to mix your slaw with. Pork is good. Tastes like actually I would say like ground beef. But I'm sure it's a Tex-Mex and the Southwest spices. Well, another one in the book. Sour cream. So good. Pans and a flavored pork, Santa Fe pork tacos. That's it. Hope you guys enjoying this HelloFresh series. It's pretty easy. You know, of course, it takes longer to film it, but hey, if you just in here cooking it, it takes as long as it takes to ground the meat. That's how long it takes in actuality. So, all right. I pray you guys are doing well, and I'm put this down. I'm gonna see you guys next video. God bless you. See you next video. Peace.